In this video, we would like to share with you an easy way to cook oven-baked fries at home. We will be using Murasaki sweet potatoes, which I found at Trader Joe's. But the method that we introduced today can be applied for any type of potato, regular or sweet. If you're interested, please keep watching. The Murasaki sweet potato is purple on the outside and white on the inside, but once it's cooked, it'll turn into a light yellow color. They taste so great, especially when baked in the oven. First, let's peel off the skin. Just like other potatoes, once the skin is peeled off, it turns brown quickly because of oxidation. So I soak them in water to prevent them from changing colors. And then I cut them into thin slices. Same as earlier. Once cutting them, I keep them in water. After you've sliced all the potatoes, add them into boiling water. Cook them until the water boils again. Cover the lid and remove the pot from the heat. Let it sit in the hot water for about 5 minutes. This way it'll make the fries soft on the inside while not overcooking them. 5 minutes later, remove the potatoes from the water and transfer it to a kitchen towel to let them dry out. This will make sure that the fries are crispy on the outside when we bake it in the oven. Transfer the potatoes to a baking sheet, season with salt and pepper, and cover the fries with olive oil. Mix everything well and spread the sweet potato over the baking sheet. Bake it for 20 minutes at 425. We're going to take it out at the 10-minute mark and add some Cajun seasoning with some chili flakes. Use a spatula to mix and stir it well. Try your best to make sure all the surfaces are evenly cooked. And then put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's take a look. It smells so great. The fries have become golden brown. Together with the flavor from the seasoning, it tastes so great. They're soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Voila, that's our taste on seasoned sweet potato fries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get a notification for our future recipes.